Hi guys, hope you are all well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to be taking a look at Polygon. Before we begin the analysis, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll leave the link to our Telegram group in the description and the comments below. So if you're not already a member of our Telegram group, please feel free to join. So looking here at first, coin market cap, we can see we have a monthly low of 72 cents and a monthly high of just over the dollar at $1.05. We have market cap of 6 billion on Polygon with an 80% circulating supply now. And it's important to keep in mind over the last few days we've seen a lot of bearish momentum in the market. I think Bitcoin is around about 12% down over the last couple of days now. But we can see that Polygon is actually performing better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. We can see here it's up on both of them. So it's not been quite as affected as the two main coins in the market so far. So we'll look at the 4-hour chart here for Polygon. And we can see after this sort of range here, we broke out mid-July, saw quite a strong move up. And we reached up to just over $1 at the $1.05, but we wasn't really able to hold above $1 before we saw this move down to where we are now. And actually, I would say if we put a trend line in from this wick here, we can see how this was kind of the support trend line throughout the move up. And once this was broken below a couple of days ago, it was back tested on the 4-hour time frame before a continued move down here. We're currently sitting at just around 80 cents. And to be honest, I would have, when this move down first started, I would have liked to have seen the 85 cents area hold as support. It actually looks on paper a better level of support than what we currently have. But of course, with Bitcoin, with the move down being so strong, that's obviously the reason why. But I'll show you here. This area is the area that I would have, liked to have seen hold. There's a lot of support there, but yeah, it pretty much fell straight through. And the area where we're at now, I don't see as being a key level of support. We have bounced on this fib level. So what I think from here is if Bitcoin does start to move up a little bit over the next day or so, I think we could likely retest this 85 cents area, where I would now be tempted to go short. I would say that this previous support will now become our next resistance. I then think we're likely to see a move down towards the 0.5 fib level, where I think is a better level of support. So that would take us down to around 68 cents. I'm not currently holding Matic. It is a project I like, and if I was to be looking at this, as a longer term investment, where would I re-enter? I've got my eye on now around the 60 cents to 55 cents level, somewhere around this area here. Looks better to start accumulating, and I think there's a good chance we do see that. The momentum in the market at the moment would suggest that we do see a continued move down. So I think I could show you actually using the path tool what I think something could play out. So as I said, a move up towards the 85 cents, which I think will become resistance now before a move down. I would say there's every chance we fall straight through this current support next time, see a bounce off the 0.5 fib level, something like that. That's what I'd be looking for. And as I said, if we get to this 55 cents, 60 cents area, I would be looking to start buying in spot for a good move up over the medium and long term. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and I will see you next week on the next one.